Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how to change a username on github.com. As you can see, currently I'm on github.com, and if I want to change my username, I have to click here on the top right corner on my avatar. Then click on settings. Now on this page, you need to go to accounts on the left hand side. Scroll up, and here you'll find this section change username. Simply click on this button, change username. And here you can see I'm getting this alert, and it is written here, unexpected bad things will happen if you don't read this. So you must make sure to read all these things. Then click on I understand. Let's change my username. Now you will get this sort of an input box. Simply put your username that you want. Then click on change my username. I'm okay with mine, so I will not do so. That's enough for today. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.